Hello, my name is Jim Woodward and I'm with the Solutions team at Vectorworks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with some of our parametric tools to help to start to bring your entertainment designs to life. Let's create a simple plot in Vectorworks Spotlight. I'm going to start off with a simple rectangle and I'm going to tell it that it wants to be 32 feet by 24 feet and I'm going to lock that to the center of the drawing. With that simple shape, we're going to use the event create stage. We'll tell it that we want it at 32 feet, and when we create parametric objects, it's really easy to change these after the fact by just simple drop-down menus. Say I want to put a railing on the upstage, maybe I want to select a few more of these stage decks, and we're going to put an additional 16 inches in their elevation. Next, let's start with a lighting truss. And we're going to select a symbol of a Euro truss FT44 and we're going to go in distributed horizontal mode. Starting from the center and working our way out, you see how easy it is to add multiple sections. Selecting all of those, let's give those a trim height of 28 feet. With them also selected, I'm going to drag with the Option key down on a Mac. I'm going to Option drag one more time for the upstage and Option drag for a few extra sections. Now with all those in place, let's put some lighting on those. Let's start with the lighting tool set. The lighting device is a BMFL blade. I'll start the auto numbering so I don't have to number these later at 101. There's many options for patching, focusing, labeling, and we'll start in distributed mode downstage. Let's put 6 fixtures here and 6 more upstage. Lots of tools for cabling, distributing, and let's put some soft goods upstage with the event planning tool set. And let's go into soft goods. We'll select curtain at 27 feet and we'll put that upstage. Next, I'm going to put in a few video elements. Let's go in and we'll select a rear projector 16:9. We added some screen support with goalpost legs, added a dress kit, and put it on some scaffolding. Now that section we'll put right there and one more on the other side. Now I'm also going to place one more LED screen upstage. Instead of a rear projector, we'll use the LED mode. There is another tool for much more elaborate LED components, but we're just using a simple. We'll place that in the center, go to a 3/4 view in shaded. Maybe we go into a perspective and take a look at our stage. The only thing I want to do here, maybe raise these 2 screens up off the ground. If you have any questions about anything we've covered, feel free to reach out to schedule a one-on-one demo with one of our solution specialists. You can also explore more tutorials and helpful guides on Vectorworks University and check out our onboarding content to get the most out of your trial.